Our two prototype offering suite is a combination of AWS AI-powered remote monitoring and management dashboard and an alert intelligence platform for managed service providers and IT teams. The first remote monitoring and management RMM dashboard shows live health, status chips for fast triage, and one-click fix that logs a resolved incident instantly. The second offering, the alert intelligence layer, cuts up to 80% of alerts with AI-driven enrichment and correlation, then routes only actionable events to the dashboard. Let us first look at the AWS RMM dashboard deployed at NetLabi site at the moment, showcasing our AI-powered remote monitoring and management tool. We summarize the entire state: servers monitored, active incidents, response time, cost savings, automation rate, mean time to repair reduction, and agents online. Cards animate on load, giving an instant read of system health. Real-time metrics will update every few seconds in the production system: overall health, CPU, memory, and network I/O, so operators can spot trends quickly. Next is the server infrastructure. Server infrastructure shows the fleet at a glance. Notice totals on the right-hand top corner: total servers, healthy, and alerts. On the home dashboard, you can see fleet using status chips, whereas here on the servers page, we scan warning critical cards with AI-powered insights to prioritize action based on suggestions and predictions. In the incident timeline management section, every action appears in the incident timeline with severity, status, affected systems, and AI resolution tags. Then we have the Analytics and Insights page that captures trends: incident resolution, mean time to repair improvement, cost savings, and interestingly also shows incident categories that helps linking service management information. This page also shows AI agent performance that accelerates proactive automated IT management. In summary, the AI-driven remote monitoring and management RMM dashboard provides a centralized view of Bedrock agents, incidents, servers, and analytics. It showcases autonomous workflows with explainable actions, emphasizing reductions in mean time to repair, cost savings, and increased automation rates.